Hey guys, Jeff Rueter here from LDV, standing in front of Tyler Maybrier's brand new 22-foot Freightliner MT-55. He loaded this thing up with features, so let's check out 5 of them real quick here. Let's go. Tyler put a real cool lower lighted valance on this truck. Tyler also added a real aggressive looking drop visor that's lighted as well, right above the windshield. In one of the exterior storage compartments, Tyler has broken tool bins that you can put broken tools down the tool chute at his L-shaped desk that go right into a removable bin on the outside. Another awesome feature of Tyler's truck is his L-shaped desk area. He has black slat wall all around with a sliding window. And here is also the broken tool chute that goes into the bins outside. Stainless rolled countertop edge with a cash drawer under here and a fridge down below. And also right behind me is a flip down jump seat. And also he has the lighted knife case. This truck is also equipped with side view cameras. There's one on each side in the front of the truck. And there's also one on each side above the liftgate in the rear of the truck as well. We just highlighted 5 cool features in Tyler's truck. If you have questions or want to learn anything more about this truck, give your sales specialist a call today.